हे सीट आम्ही जिखोंक पावली. कांदोलीम आम्ही बरी लीड गेल्ल्या. आमचो सरपंचाचो म्हाका फुल सपोर्ट मेळ्ळो. ब्लेज फर्नांदीस आणि लॉरी आमचो वॉर्ड मेंबर आणि एंटायर टीम, कलंगूट पंचायत, ऑल द वॉर्ड मेंबर्स, आरपोरा, नागवा, शिकेरेम. थँक यू ईच अँड एवरीवन फॉर वोटिंग मी. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. आज चोड देव बरें करूं म्हणून स्वता आमचो MLA मायकल लोबो ताणें म्हाका एक्सटेंड सपोर्ट केला म्हणून ही सीट जिखपाक. आणि गॉड इज ग्रेट आणि ऑल द BJP कार्यकर्ताज. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थँक यू.
First round, you were sure of the victory also.
Yes, we were.
Countering, you were trailing.
Yeah, we were trailing.
Yeah, but still you were confident of the victory.
Yes, we were confident. Yeah, because of Kandolim was leading. Yeah.
प्लीज एक गजाल पळयत जाल्यार हे सायड कलंगूट सगळे ट्रेल जाय दिसले आणि कांदोळे खातीर आयज तुमचो कॅन्डिडेट ZP जिखलेलो आसा.
We are very confident of our people of Kandolim because the work we have done in Kandolim, we have done so much work that I knew that 100% will give the lead and she'll win in Kalangut constituency. I have told it in the CM's meeting also that Kandolim will be the decision maker, highest lead, and it's come through. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Kalangut, I don't know.
We are really grateful. It was a great victory, a support from everyone. तुम्ही कितें म्हणला first round there was a setback, but this setback आम्ही calculate केल्ले because a lot of like our voters which normally vote for us, the vote has little shifted towards RG. This is the fact that we see on with the sheets that have come. But we knew that Kandolim was always our solid force behind us. So we had expected to be trailing, but we knew Kandolim will sweep the election. And Arpara and Nagwa also gave us very good votes like how it was before. So with the support of all three together, we managed to get a victory for us. We are thankful to the people, our MLA, the Sarpanch, Blaze, Lori, Sandra, his entire team, Kalangut Panchayat, Arpara, Nagwa Panchayat, and all the Karyakartas who worked very hard. It was a good election. Lot of candidates, 3 candidates, all 3 were all strong, and to come victorious is a very good thing. So with this same enthusiasm, I think, and MLA, not forgetting our MLA Michael Lobo, his backing and his support was crucial in securing this victory.
How were in the amount?
Sorry?
How did you amount?
No, we had expected it first only because of feedback from the ground. When we do our calculation, I have also the calculations here. We have trailed at between 300 to 500 materials in the first round. So it was planned. But we knew Kandolim was rock solid and remained rock solid.